What's up guys, Cody here from S&S Cycle, and in today's video we're going to be giving you an overview of our new product for M8 models, the Piston Cooling Jet Kit. So why do you need this for your M8? We designed this kit to evenly cool the intake and exhaust sides of the pistons, thus leading to a cooler engine, which means more power and better durability. So the kit is crafted from strong billet 6061 T6 aluminum. It features patent-pending dual spray technology for uniform piston cooling, revised spray locations for more effective cooling. It's anodized in our S&S Performance Blue. It's got a shortened nozzle for increased rod clearance, and as always, it includes all necessary hardware and gaskets. So that's our new piston cooling jet kit for M8 models. If you like this video, give it a like, make sure to subscribe to all of our social media channels to get the latest product updates, and for more product information, please visit sscycle.com.